ensuring, improving, and maintaining customer satisfaction, engagement, and retention are some of common problems found in retail industries. Often brands are dying because they do not know their customers well, or they are only selling their products without good marketing strategy or doing it incorrectly. Realizing this, we developed BEONE Trolley, incorporating face recognition technology with our Trolley point of sales with SAP Business One as the backend. The solution is targeted for retail and food and beverage industries. The face recognition module is a web-based application. Using camera or simply webcam attached to a PC or point of sales machine, the solution is ready to go. Basically, the solution will cover the following. It captures real-time customer's image from webcam video feed. Then it recognizes customer and display recognized name, estimated age, gender, and expression. Next, it will retrieve customer's transaction history and will give additional information such as products recommendation and popular products amongst customers. It will proceed to normal transactions using Trolley point of sales. Finally, it provides dashboard of all detected customers along with a follow-up module for any detected negative expressions. The module will then create service call document on SAP Business One. By knowing the customers well, utilizing personalized promotion strategy, sales division can maintain a better customer's retention.